I don't know which one I believe the most, though I guess if I had to choose, it would be that there's life out there. Because that's almost like, to me, that's almost 100% true. Because not only are we slowly discovering that there's the possibility of life living in nearby planets that we've been able to observe because we've discovered water, which is like the be-all of life. Uh, Again, it's infinite. So there's saying that there's absolutely no way that there could be life is in itself an impossibility. I like the multiverse thing. I also like. That's more just because it sounds cooler. It's more creative. I like to think of it whenever like I trip and I don't fall. I like to think, oh, there's a marina out there that fell because of the multiverse thing. But there are two theories that I really like. They're kind of related to each other. I recently learned about it when I went to California. I went to the Science Museum. They had a planetarium, and they were talking about a new thing that they've discovered, which is called dark matter. And what it is it's the in-between of space. So I like to think of it as like the human body. So like the planets are the bones and the organs, and the space is the blood, but the dark energy, or the dark matter, is the fiber, or that weird neural looking thing that keeps everything together. And this leads to two theories. The two theories are called the Big Rip, which basically means that it's slowly speeding up, and it'll reach to the point where it's faster than the speed of light. And when it reaches that speed, everything will just rip apart. And that's one version of the end of the universe. The second version is called the Big Crunch, which is the exact opposite. It says that everything is slowly coming in towards each other, and once they reach the speed of light, it'll all crunch up, it'll all sort of just become one with itself, and the density will just destroy everything. That's fun. It's a fun thought to have. It's just a theory. A space theory.